lesson, I will teach you the 3D import, color, and material. So the 3D import is it's much pretty much you go to Roblox or go to different website where they give example of 3D parts that can be used in Roblox. So all you have to do is, let's say you download something, and you want to, and that 3D figure can be import in Roblox. You can just click it and open, and it can be input into your world. So that's how you can use the 3D import object. So as for the color, by only clicking a material object, and you can change the color pretty much as you want. You can make it as much as you want. Let's say you want it to look as cyan. As you can see, that's pretty much how you can use the color. And yeah, you can pretty much use it anywhere as much as you want. You can use it from here. As you can see, the tree can be changed. So you can see I turned it all gray, and pretty much all object, even if they come to the toolbox, you can change its color as much as you want. You can design it as much as you want. I want yellow, as you can see, turn to yellow. So that's how much you can pretty use the color tool. For the material part, it's much more trickier because this is, let's say you have a wall. Now this wall, you want it to have a texture brick. This we can use, as you can see, you can use the material as to change the texture or the skin of the object that you want. This is especially used for creating houses, where the outside wall you want it to look like a material of some kind. For example, when you are creating a room, you want to look at like that. As you can see, it look like a room. So that's how much you can pretty use it. You can use it by pretty much searching any materials like you want. Let's say stone. As you can see, it will give you any type of stone that you want. Then you can change it. See stone, and let me pick. As you can see, it already changed. It changed to stone, and it types different, and can be see when can be default, applied, what applied, or recent materials that you use. So that's how much you can produce that. 3D import only works when you have already a file that have a 3D figure that can be import to Roblox, and it can be import into Roblox by using that import 3D. As for the color, is the way that you want the objects want its color. Let's say you want the wall color green, or the doors only be white or green or black. As for the materials, can be used for the walls, can be used for the roofs, can be used on the inside of the cave because it has stone texture. Pretty much any types of structure or object that you want to have a texture or a looks like a material that you want. So I hope you learned something.